development football where future stars and leaders of the game connect, whether a player, a coach, or a club owner. We are coming to you to talk all things development football. Mina-ke uMapholo bawufuze ufulele amashiya amahle engathi azoshumayela ngeqadi unyuswa. Namhlanje silana e-Nike Center, Walter Sisulu Clinic sedume ngokuthi Discovery, ngijoinwe one of the good and best coaches. Zolo ngisho njalo babukeli bethu because all these coaches they've produced so many players. And namhlanje ngijoinwe uCoach Sato. Coach Sato, please introduce yourself to our viewers at home.
Good afternoon, abahlali emakhaya. Igama Coach Sato.
Coach Sato, ucoach Joburg City, ucoachile nakwamanye amateam amaningi before. Coach Sato, sisakwena nje, i-journey yakho iqala kuphi wena as a coach?
Ngicale khona la funny part ku Pimville Young Tigers. Ngicale khona was a player. Then owner coach angala yangicela ukuthi amacoach ngicela uzosincedanyana man because of une experience udlala kuVethi wadlala na kuFCK experience onayo ngicela uyifake ebadlalini. Then the good thing we were left with 10 games, then survive relegation SAP. Then from there I got a call from Vethi ngize ngizopick ebafaneni. Then yeah, that's when it started.
Coach Sato, the journey started here, Pimville. Babukeli bethu Coach Sato ucoachile kuVethi, coachile kuPrestige, ucoacha kuJoburg City njengamanje nakwamanye amateam. Coach Sato, ungathi wena i-journey yakho ku-development football injani njengocoach? Mawi rate out of 10.
I'll always be hard on myself. I'll give myself a 4.
Okay.
I still feel that there's a lot that I still need to give. There's a lot that I still need to learn. But so far, I'll give myself a 4.
Okay. Coach Sato is hard on himself. But Mina, as a representative of soft development football, as someone who has been following development football, I can give him a 7. I have my own reason. Coach Sato, kubaluleke ngani ukuba a good relationship with my parents when as a coach?
It's very, very important. You know, abelungu kakhulu into abayenzayo, they open opportunities for abantwana babo, they invest ebantwaneni babo. But yet thina as coaches, we have to be abazali kulabafana.
Yeah.
We have to be fathers, we have to be abomalungu. We have to be everything. You know, umzali wakho makazini azokubukela. It makes a lot of difference emntwaneni. So ukuthi umzali sibe ne relationship nomzali, it's very, very important because of masnaleyo relationship umntwana ngeke acambe amanga athi mama ngisayijimini kanti uyahamba endaweni zakhe. So having a relationship with the parent is very, very important. That's why Tina, as umphakathi womuntu omnyama, we have to support abantwana bethu, most especially mabayenza sports, whether it's football, whether it's rugby, it's cricket. We must give them support. Thola amanamba ka-coach, have a constant communication ne-coach umntwana, which is very important.
Siyabonga kakhulu Coach Sato. Babukeli bethu njengale soft development football ngihlale ngimtshela kuningi esazonifundisa kona kule mhlelo lethu. Coach Sato, yiphi role edlalwa umzali kwi-development yomntwana?
You know, we hammer these boys. Grounding, training, mabadala, we hammer these boys. Mabayens, they need a shoulder. Where's the shoulder to grab? Mama, baba. You understand? So this is very, very important. Ngibonile udlale 5 minutes. Maybe go coach anama-tactics wakhe ayenza abantu. But if umzali uzokhuluma negative coach, nomntwana ngeke adevelope ku-football yakhe because of uzohlezi abona ucoach
Wrong, yeah.
Are wrong, you understand? But now we as abazali, that's why ngithi it works both ways. Ekhaya umama uba ucoach and esikolweni uteacher uba ucoach.
Yeah.
You understand? So we all need one another. We all need one another.
Siyabonga kakhulu ke Coach Sato. Nami ke as someone who is a teacher by profession, lento ayishoyo kubalulekile ukuba ne relationship nomuntu. Njengomzali kubalulekile ukuba ne relationship enhle nomuntu osebenza ngomntwana wakho, whether uteacher or whether ucoach womntwana wakho. Coach Sato, eSouth Africa siyabona kunama positives amaningi futhi. Mawucabanga, are we doing justice in development football? See South Africa as a whole.
I would say ngizokhuluma from a coaching perspective.
Okay.
I think we're doing okay. We're doing justice to the sports. the only problem that we're lacking in this country, it's a social aspect of the game, whereby abafana, it comes from a difficult background. Ufuna umntwana agijime. Little you know ukuthi umntwana akadlanga. Little you know ukuthi umntwana unenkinga, ushonelwe ekhaya, or kunenkinga between umama nobaba. You know, so we just lack the social development of on the social aspect of the player. Once we can develop the social part, I think technically now as Bonella, Silagu clinics, we're seeing the best talent. You can go to film camp, you can see the best talent. In terms of technically, we are very, very good players. So I believe we're doing
Especially Coach Sato. It's a bit tricky because abantu beza neindlela zabo. We had Coach Paradise on our previous interview ubeke ngombono wakhe in terms of our sponsors SAFA not doing justice kuma development structures. Coach Sato ukhuluma about the social aspect of the development of our players. So uningi ngisazokufunda babukeli bethu emakhaya. Coach Sato awungitshele nje ababukeli bethu emakhaya wena. As Coach Sato, no, so many players aphuma ngaphansi kwesandla sakho. Owacoachile esikoleni, owacoachile kuVets, owacoachile kuPrestige. Awungibalele nje ama players ayi5 alaphana DDC or PSL or SAB or Sepeli aphuma ngaphansi kwesandla sakho nje njengoCoach Sato. I know I'm putting you on a spotlight, but not so good labo ngama-mentionanga you didn't produce them or you're not proud of them. But I just want 5.
Boys, you know I all love you. I'm not gonna mention them and mention teams.
Okay.
There's a boy at Stellenbosch. Well, he used to be at Stellenbosch. I think he's at Upington City. There's a boy now at United. There's a boy, Kaizer Chiefs. We have 2 boys at Kaizer Chiefs, DDC.
Labagate be England.
Yeah. They were part of that. The reason why I don't mention him, Mapoloba, is because of, you know what, as coaches, I'm not the one who's going to claim I'm a player, but in a sense, the development in Yabo. Remember, we always say it takes a village to
raise a child.
So Lomfana lo ongim coach lo ongim zokhuluma ngopenado lo matu ngimthole kuphi ePrestige. There were coaches before me. So now I just net 2% engifakekile at least to help him. But kubo bonke abo coaches pa we have bigger roles than me. Nabacoach abaphuma from kuma clubhouse laba exactly nase Eastern Cape. They've all played a role. So we can't say good mina I as Coach Tato I've developed the no. Nami ngesandla good. So we have a lot of players. So it takes a village. So that in football it's also like that. So
usayikhulumile ngoCoach Sato babukeli bethu. Lena ngizoyibulisela kuthina ku field engiyona yaka teaching. Umntwana ngiyamfica ka grade 12 kunothisha abamfundise ka grade 1 up to grade 10. Bonke labo thisha bayibekile bayidlalile indima kwi progress yaleyo mntwana. Coach Sato useshilo abacoach zonke lezi ntwana from under 11, under 12 up until baze bafike ku-DDC. All of them they played a big role with development yalabantwana. Ngizonitshela mina babukeli bethu uKaizer Chiefs kunomfana odlala center back odlala emuva uphuma esandleni sakho uCoach Sato umcoachile nasesikoleni. Bernardo, one of people esibe nama interviews wabo udlala kuChippa United, ukhona lapho kwi-page lethu ngizobona babukeli ucoachiwe uCoach Sato. Baningi ke abadlala futhi abaphuma ngaphansi kwesandla sakhe. Coach Sato siyabonga kakhulu ngokuthi usibe isikhathi sakho namhlanje. Sifisela uKhisimusi nama-holiday amahle athi ubuyele uJoburg City ngoJanuary.
Giving young coaches and players a platform and opportunity. Nabo babe in spotlight or bakhulume or babone about club la and not just coaches giving us a platform which is good
development. Yeah, because that's the main aim.
100%. You guys are doing a very good job. uNkulunkulu anibusise ngathi ningakhula and badlali nani manibukele lapho emakhaya. Please like and subscribe. Let's talk development football. And also don't forget uMasiya nayo uphumeza
Sabonga kakhulu babukeli bethu and don't forget to subscribe to Let's Talk Development Football. Danke.